There's an old misconception about pigs. One that paints them as filthy creatures, rolling in mud without a care for cleanliness. People see them covered in dirt and assume they love being dirty. But what if I told you that pigs are by nature remarkably clean animals? What if their so-called love for filth is not a choice but a necessity imposed by their environment? Pigs lack sweat glands, making it difficult for them to regulate their body temperature. To survive the heat, they instinctively seek cool, damp places. Unfortunately, in many cases, the only available option is murky, muddy water. Over time, they become associated with dirt, not because they want to be dirty, but because their environment gives them no better option. Now, take a moment and think about this in the context of human potential. How often do you see highly capable individuals, people with a drive to succeed, the hunger to learn, and the potential to achieve greatness, struggle to make progress? Not because they lack intelligence, motivation, or talent, but because they are trapped in an environment that does not support growth. This is what I call the pig malady. Many people want to learn high-income skills such as digital marketing, data analysis, software development, or AI. They start with enthusiasm, excited about the opportunities that mastering these skills can bring. They enroll in courses, watch tutorials, and maybe even begin practicing. But then, something happens. The initial fire starts to dim. Distractions creep in: social media, unsupportive friends, endless entertainment, and the daily struggles of life. Soon, the very people who were once eager to learn and grow find themselves stagnating, unable to break free from the habits and patterns of their surroundings. It's not that they don't want success. Just like the pig, they have an inherent desire for something better. But when you're surrounded by an environment that does not encourage learning, accountability, or discipline, it becomes nearly impossible to stay on track. The human mind, like the pig's body, adapts to its surroundings. If you exist in an environment filled with distractions, negativity, and a lack of direction, your dreams will inevitably get swallowed by the mud. So how do you escape the pig malady? The answer lies in intentional positioning. If you want to break free, you must deliberately place yourself in an environment that fosters growth. Seek out mentors, join communities of like-minded learners, invest in structured learning programs, and eliminate sources of distraction. If you want to master a digital skill, immerse yourself in spaces where excellence is the norm. Pigs do not choose the mud, it is forced upon them. But you have a choice. You can either remain in an environment that stifles your potential or actively shape your surroundings to support your goals. Your success is not just about talent or motivation, it's about where you choose to stand. Choose wisely. My name is Ika Africa. You can subscribe and like my page for more of this. See you in my next video. Thank you.